Manipur da thokliba kangluf ki irang asiga mari lerina Global Manipur Federation Central Europe chapter ngarang santi ki khongchet ama Netherlands ki 𝐑𝐀𝐋 da apunba ki saktam sagatuna tangdu leitaba purakpa ngamnaba chatkre ngarang 𝐑𝐀𝐋 ki Peace Palace ki mamang ta pangthokiba thoramadu Central Europe da leiba Manipuri singamadi Indian singna saruyaki thoramadu minute ani tumina leijuna taibong mapugi mafamda thongni zakibaga loinena Manipur da hojik irang asina thokhaliba khudong chadaba singi matang da su miamda Khanghanki Peace Palace mamangdagi langa visver wak fawa khongchet ama chaki khongchet aduda sarugyaki maming leiraba news channel singna pau phongba matamda nakal ama khaki oiba pau phongdanaba amadi marik chumba paudam pibinaba su appeal tauki
Illegal immigrants entering into Manipur in large scale has not only disturbed peaceful coexistence and security in the state, but also have threatened the fundamental rights of many Indians.
First of all, I would like to start by putting the question to the government on what steps they are taking up currently to manage this conflict and bring on peace in the state of Manipur. First of all the big media houses and all the news outlets should be more responsible with what they are sharing with their viewers and their readers. It's rather disappointing to see so many big names like Al Jazeera and Deutsche Welle sharing a very one-sided and biased view on this conflict. Secondly, we as the public, we should be more responsible to not to give in to misinformation, not to spread around fake news and make this dreadful situation worse.
Ngasi akoina gather tawrisi Manipur da thokliba irang asi peace restore tawnagidamakta akoi prayer ama tawjagina laksabni den hakta. First thing aina hainjaning badi Manipur da thogiba irang asi ahanbada yam thuna loisanba ma darkar oi maramdi irang asi continue tawradi hatred oiba pain oiba suffering se dum helagani number of people suffering number of people death se dum hengalakani masi thuna loisanba ma darkar oi ahanbada